Hello, today we're going to be talking about this item here, the My Extreme LED ring light studio style smartphone mount. It's a 10-inch ring light. What I'll be doing is I'm going to be unboxing this, previewing it, talking about the pricing, where to get it, where I got it from, and along with my thoughts about this item. Now let's go, before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, I'm trying to build on my subscriber base, that would be awesome. And if I've added value to you with this video, definitely hit the like button and leave me some comments. I definitely welcome your comments, and I like reading your comments and responding to your comments. So without much ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see in the front right here, there's the front of the box. It's the My Extreme LED ring light, studio style smartphone mount. Now, this is the side of it, this is the back of it, and this is the other side of it. So this LED ring light is the perfect companion for creating social media content, vlogs, or video tutorials. Universal phone mount is precisely positioned in the center of the LED ring, providing balanced lighting distribution while capturing photos or recording videos. Ball joint gooseneck phone mount and tripod gives you perfect angle every time. Choose between 10 different brightness levels and 3 distinct color lighting modes: cool white, soft light, and warm light. Powered by the included 6 feet USB cable and built-in controls. What's inside? Selfie, ring light, tripod, and manual. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So always check your box when you're unboxing stuff to make sure that there's a manual. Sometimes it doesn't come with it, but most of the times they will. So there's the manual. Extreme LED ring light, studio style smartphone holder mount. So this is your tripod legs right here, and it's packaged. Most of the times with a lot of these ring lights, they'll always package this tripod legs. This right here is your phone holder, and it comes with a screw too. And most of the times too, they'll have their company name in there. So as this one is Extreme, or My Extreme hashtag. And it's a flex one. Just want to show everybody that. This is usually what ring lights, the 8-inch, 10-inch will always give you, the stretchable one. This is a silver ball. Sometimes you come with a plastic one, it's all black. And then the other side is where you're going to screw it on, the screw side. This ball is going to go into this phone holder. This phone holder stand right here, which they call it. It's going to go in there. Now this right here is the most important piece, the piece that holds everything together, which is your tripod head. So let's go ahead and take that out. While I'm doing this, I'm just going to share with you. So what is the basic pricing point on something like this? It's about $12.99 if you were to get it from maybe a TJ Maxx or Home Goods. But if you were to get it from a big box retailer, such as maybe a Target, or even Macy's. I know that Macy's sells some of this too. Department store, maybe $25 around there. I got mine at the TJ Maxx. So this is your 10-inch ring light right here, LED. And then this is your remote control and your USB for power. USB you can plug into your computer, or you can plug into a wall outlet that has a USB. So I just want to talk about the remote control. So you have the red one, which is for your power. The minus is to decrease the brightness, which is 10 brightness levels, plus increase 10 brightness levels. And in the center of it is the one with the two wavy lines. That's your modes. So you're gonna have your cool white, soft white, or your warm white modes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the ballpoint, which I call it kind of like a ballpoint because it has a ball, but it's actually called a phone holder stand. I'm gonna screw it into the ring light here, which is your, you see the screw right there? You're gonna screw it in there. That's where you're gonna be putting your phone mount to, on this ballpoint of the phone holder stand. Now I'm gonna grab this phone holder stand. It fits a bunch of phones, but I just wanna put a phone in there so you guys get an idea. So I'm gonna stick this old iPhone that I have in there. There you go. So let's remove that. Just tilt this over. Now with this phone holder, there's always a screw right here that you see turn. Now you can always unscrew it to a point where you feel it's okay to stick the ball in there, but usually the best thing to do is just to unscrew the whole thing. Get this ball, put the little head in there between, past the little ball of the phone holder stand, and then you see right here, you're just gonna push the ball into there. So once you stick it in there, now you can actually take this piece and then push it up and align it and then screw it tight. Which I think is the easiest actually. Because a lot of times if you don't unscrew this piece all the way out and you just unscrew a little bit to see if you can stick the ball in there, sometimes it goes in, sometimes it doesn't. That's just one of the things. Okay. Next, we are going to get the tripod leg. They always come with 3. It's called tri, so it's 3 legs. And you're gonna get this screw point here, stick it in here. All right, so it's coming to form. So there you have it. Now I want to point out, why is this piece here? Now this piece right here is for the ball that's here. So this ball allows you to pan and tilt your ring light. So the thing is that if you want it to be tight and not move, you want to tighten it so it doesn't move. If you want it loose to tilt it, you loosen it and you can move it. But I'm going to leave it upright for this video. So it's really tight so it doesn't move. Okay. Let me get it a little bit more uptight, shifted there. There it goes. There we go. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this point here and we are going to screw it onto the ring light bottom right here. So we have that. So we're going to screw it in there. Okay, so now it's in there. Now I'm going to open the tripod legs and I'm going to stand up the ring light. There we go. So as you can see, it's right here. There we go. Now, I want to also talk about a safety thing is, you know, we all know that it's USB power as we mentioned earlier. So let me just unscrew this and kind of show you the remote control. I think you guys saw the remote control, but you know how like when you turn the power on to use all this function once the USB plug on, make sure from a safety side that you hit the power off before you pull the USB, just as a precaution. Just want to point that out. So I'm going to get the USB, I'm going to plug it in there. And once you plug it in there, it's going to light up your remote. So as you can see right there, light up. So I'm going to press the button. There we go. I think this is the cool white. So let's try the mode to see. So yeah, I think this one is the warm white or soft white. Actually soft white. It's probably the warm white. And this is the cool white. So let's decrease it. Is it 10 brightness levels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's increase to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So as you can see, you know, it's pretty easy to set this up. It took what, like maybe 6-7 minutes. It's great if you're going to be doing like vlogs, if you're going to be doing video tutorials, you're doing cosmetics. It's really close. You know, you can put it on the base of your desk. You can carry it with you because it's so small. You can bring it on a plane with you, bring it to Starbucks, any coffee shop. So there's a lot of great use for this. And the price point is not bad, especially if you were to get it from like a discounted retailer such as TJ Maxx or Home Goods. But if you get it at a regular retailer, it's still, you know, like 25 bucks, like a big box retailer like Target. Would I use this? I probably would if I was a beginner, if I was doing cosmetology, and if I was just doing a lot of videos, tutorials up front. My thoughts on it, I think it's a great starter item. I mean, I think the price-wise, if you were to get it on a discount retailer, is a really good price. You can't go wrong with it. You have 10 modes, 3 modes, and you have 10 brightness levels. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's remote controlled, it's USB. You can always just plug it into your laptop. There's a lot of great perks about it. It's a great way to get started, and it's LED, so you can't go wrong with it. So, all in all, I would say this is pretty good. It's for basic, but if you were more professional, I would say that you may want to choose a item at a different price point and higher end item. This is your basic. So that's some information out there. Hopefully this video added some value, as you can see how it looks when you set it up, how we applied everything together. If so, hit the like button. I appreciate it. Also, if you can hit the subscriber button on the bottom right corner, subscribe to my channel so I can increase my subscribership. That would be very, very helpful, and I appreciate it. And always leave your comments. Let me know if you have this, what you think about it, if you like it, any bad or maybe not like things that you like about it. Feel free to share it with the community, share it with the comments. I'll definitely respond to your comments. And I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I definitely welcome you guys to my channel and keep watching Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So then, you stay safe.